Hey guys. Welcome to our channel. Civil Engineering Guru. Hope you all are fine. As you all know that we are discussing branches of civil engineering. Today our topic is transportation engineering, that is branch of civil engineering in which we study different forms of transports. Move toward our topic. Overview. Road transport is one of the most common modes of transport. Roads in the form of trackways, human pathways etc. were used even from the prehistoric times. Since then many experiments were going on to make the riding safe and comfort. Thus road construction became an inseparable part of many civilizations and empires. In this chapter we will see the different generations of road and their characteristic features. Now we discuss history of highway engineering. The history of highway engineering gives us an idea about the roads of ancient times. Roads in Rome were constructed in a large scale and it radiated in many directions, helping them in military operations. Thus they are considered to be pioneers in road construction. In this section we will see in detail about ancient roads, Roman roads, British roads, French roads. Now we discuss ancient roads. The first mode of transport was by foot. These human pathways would have been developed for specific purposes, leading to campsites, food, streams for drinking water, etc. The next major mode of transport was the use of animals for transporting both men and materials. Since these loaded animals required more horizontal and vertical clearances than the walking man, trackways emerged. The invention of wheel in Mesopotamian civilization led to the development of animal-drawn vehicles. Then it became necessary that the road surface should be capable of carrying greater loads. Thus roads with harder surfaces emerged. To provide adequate strength to carry the wheels, the new ways tended to follow the sunny drier side of the path. These have led to the development of footpaths. After the invention of wheel, animal-drawn vehicles were developed and the need for hard surface road emerged. Traces of such hard roads were obtained from various ancient civilization dated as old as 3500 BC. The earliest authentic record of road was found from Assyrian Empire constructed about 1900 BC. Now we discuss Roman roads. The earliest large-scale road construction is attributed to Romans who constructed an extensive system of roads radiating in many directions from Rome. They were a remarkable achievement and provided travel times across Europe, Asia, Minor and North Africa. Romans recognized that the fundamentals of good road construction were to provide good drainage, good material and good workmanship. Their roads were very durable and some still exist. Roman roads were always constructed on a firm form, subgrade strengthened where necessary with wooden piles. The roads were bordered on both sides by longitudinal drains. The next step was the construction of the agger. This was a raised formation up to 1 meter high and 15 meters wide and was constructed with materials excavated during the side drain construction. This was then topped with a sand leveling course. The agger contributed greatly to moisture control in the pavement. The pavement structure on the top of the agger varied greatly. In the case of heavy traffic, a surface course of large 250 mm thick hexagonal ag stones were provided. The main features of the Roman roads are that they were built straight regardless of gradient and used heavy foundation stones at the bottom. They mixed lime and volcanic pozzolana to make mortar and they added gravel to this mortar to make concrete. Thus concrete was a major Roman road-making innovation. Now we discuss French roads. The next major development in the road construction occurred during the regime of Napoleon. The significant contributions were given by Trezeguet in 1764. He developed a cheaper method of construction than the lavish and locally unsuccessful revival of Roman practice. The pavement used 200 mm pieces of quarried stone of a more compact form and shaped such that they had at least one its side which was placed on a compact formation. Smaller pieces of broken stones were then compacted into the spaces between larger stones to provide a level surface. Finally the running layer was made with a layer of 25 mm size broken stone. All this structure was placed in a trench in order to keep the running surface level with the surrounding countryside. This created major drainage problems which were counteracted by making the surface as impervious as possible, cammering the surface, and providing deep side ditches. He gave much importance for drainage. He also enunciated the necessity for continuous organized maintenance instead of intermittent repairs if the roads were to be kept usable all times. For this he divided the roads between villages into sections of such length that an entire road could be covered by maintenance men living nearby. Now we discuss British roads. The British government also gave importance to road construction. The British engineer John Macadam introduced what can be considered as the RST scientific road construction method. Stone size was an important element of Macadam recipe. By empirical observation of many roads, he came to realize that 250 mm layers of well-compacted broken angular stone would provide the same strength and stiffness and a better running surface than an expensive pavement founded on large stone blocks. Thus he introduced an economical method of road construction. The mechanical interlock between the individual stone pieces provided strength and stiffness to the course. But the interparticle friction abraded the sharp interlocking faces and partly destroyed the effectiveness of the course. This effect was overcome by introducing good quality interstitial finer material to produce a well-graded mix. Such mixes also proved less permeable and easier to compact. Now we discuss modern roads. The modern roads by and large follow macadam's construction method. Use of bituminous concrete and cement concrete are the most important developments. Various advanced and cost-effective construction technologies are used. Development of new equipments helps in the faster construction of roads. Many easily and locally available materials are tested in the laboratories and then implemented on roads for making economical and durable pavements. Scope of transportation system has developed very largely. Population of the country is increasing day by day. The lifestyle of people began to change. The need for travel to various places at faster speeds also increased. This increasing demand led to the emergence of other modes of transportation like railways and travel by air. While the above development in public transport sector was taking place, the development in private transport was at a much faster rate, mainly because of its advantages like accessibility, privacy, flexibility, convenience and comfort. This led to the increase in vehicular traffic, especially in private transport network. Thus road space available was becoming insufficient to meet the growing demand of traffic and congestion started. In addition, chances for accidents also increased. This has led to the increased attention towards control of vehicles so that the transport infrastructure was optimally used. Various control measures like traffic signals, providing roundabouts and medians, limiting the speed of vehicle at specific zones etc. were implemented. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share our video and subscribe our channel. Civil Engineering Guru. Bye.